How to get started writing on Medium in 2024. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to start writing on Medium. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to create an account. So to create an account, what you want to do is just click on get started right here, or you can just sign in if you have an account. So I'll just click on get started right there, and then from here you can either sign up with your Google, with your Facebook, or with your email. So for me, I will just sign up with my Google account. And then after signing up, you'll be redirected here. So it will ask you, what are you interested in? So you can choose 3 or more from these choices right here. And when you click show more, there will be more options that you could choose. So as an example, I'll choose programming, writing, and technology. So once you're done choosing your interests, just click on continue. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in their plan section. So from here, you can either choose a plan. So they have a member plan and a friend plan. So feel free to read all the features, or you can just continue with a free account. So I'll just continue with a free account. So I'll just click on this. And then there you go. We will now be redirected in Medium. So in this homepage right here, we will get to see our For You page. So this is our For You page. So these are posts or articles that are recommended for us. Next is the following. So in here, we will get to see the posts or articles of the people that we are following on Medium. And then as you can see over here, we have technology, writing, and programming. So these are the interests that we have chosen when we were signing up. So they will be also displayed right here. So when I click on technology, I'll be seeing articles related to technology. For writing, I will see different kinds of articles related for writing. And for programming, I will also get to see different kinds of articles related to programming. And then as you can see over here in the right side, we have staff picks. So these are the articles that have been chosen by the staff in Medium. And then as you can see over here, they also have recommended topics. So you can click on these and then you will find articles related to these topics. Next is we have who to follow right here. So these are people that Medium suggests to you that you can follow relating to your interests right here. And yeah, next is we have the search bar right here on the top. So this allows us to search for more topics. And then here is we have write. So we can now start writing our topics or articles right here. And we have this bell right here for our notifications. So we will get to see all of our notifications right here. Next is we have our profile right here. So when I click on this, I can get access to our profile, our library, our stories, our stats, some settings, some refined recommendations, manage publications, a help section. From here, you can also become a member. You can also create a Mastodon account, apply for author verification, apply to the partner program, and gift a membership. You can also sign out from here if you want to. So those are pretty much the settings and features on Medium. So now let us start writing. So to start writing, just hover your mouse right here on the right button and then just click on that, and then you'll be redirected here. So from here we can add our story, and then we can now add our body right here so that we can tell our story. And then at the bottom right here, as you can see, Medium provides us some tips and tricks when writing. So as you can see over here, select text to change formatting, add headers, or create links. When you click on this arrow, you can also add images and other media by starting a new line and clicking on the plus icon, and include content from Medium or other sites by pasting a link and pressing enter. And you can also mention anyone in your story by typing at and then their name, and then they will get a notification after you publish. So yeah, there are a lot of tips and tricks right here that you can read. But if you want to exit this out, just click on X, and then there you go. We can now start writing our article. So I have a sample article right here in my notepad. So I'll just copy the title first. So I'll just add this to the title, and then I will start telling my story right here. So I'll just copy all of these, paste it here in the story section, and then there you go. So when I highlight text right here, as you can see, I can change some settings with it. So I can change it to this. I can make it smaller or bigger, add quotation marks if you want to. And yeah, you can also set it to bold, italicized, and a lot more. And then when I highlight this text again and click on this lock icon right here, I'll be able to add private notes. So I can add notes right here relating to the title. So I'll just add title, and then when I click on send, there you go. So yeah. So when I add the note and click on this note to self, as you can see, I can now see the note that I made for the title. Next, same settings also apply in the body section right here. So for example, I'll highlight this section. I can change it to bold. I can italicize it, increase the size. I can make the size smaller, add quotation marks. And again, I can also add notes. So I'll just add body right there. Click on send. And then when I go to note to self, as you can see, I can now see the notes that I've made with the text that I highlighted. And then after that, I'll just start organizing things out in this article. So for example, I'll just set this one to quotations, and I'll set this one right here to bold. Next, I'll bold the planets right here, and then I'll just start bolding the planets. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There you go. Next, I can also bold these moons, asteroids, and comets, and then there you go. And then to add like images to your article, what you can do is go to the section in which you want to add an image. So for example, I want to add an image right here after the planet. So I'll just go to this area, click on enter, and then you will see that there will be a plus icon right there. So when I click on this plus icon, as you can see, I can add images, add an image from Unsplash, add a video, add an embed, add a new code block, and add a new part. So for example, I'll just add an image from Unsplash. I'll click on that. Then it says right here, type keywords to search Unsplash and press enter. So for example, I'll just put the solar system, enter, and then there you go. Some images will pop up. So yeah, there are a lot of results right here that you can choose. So if you want to go to the next page, just click on next. Click on next if you want to search up for more. So yeah, so for example, I'll use this one right here. So I'll click on that. And then from here, as you can see, I can edit things out with the image. So I can set it to this, or this. I can also add alt text if I want to. So it says right here, write a brief description of this image for readers with visual impairments. So let's say I just want to add a description that says galaxy. Click on save, and then there you go. So as you can see over here, it has also been credited when I add an image by using Unsplash. So it says right here, photo by Raphael on Unsplash. So it automatically adds the references to the images that you've chosen from Unsplash. Next, I can try to add a photo of my own. So for example, I want to add a photo for Earth right here. So I'll just click on enter, and then from here I can grab a photo. Let's say I'll grab this Earth photo from Pexels, copy, and then I could just paste it here, and then there you go, the image of Earth has been posted. And then as you can see over here, it allows you to type captions for your image. So let's say the photo is not yours. So what you can do right here is just add credits to the photo. So photo taken by, and then the name of the photographer, and then just add in which site you got it from. So I'll just add from Pexels, and then there you go. Next thing that we can do is try to add links to some text right here in our article. So for example, I will try to add a link to this section right here of Mars. So I'll just highlight this, and then I'll just click on this right here. So when I click on that, it allows me to paste or type a link. So as an example, I'll use this link right here about Mars on NASA. So I'll just copy the link right here, go back to Medium, highlight the Mars section, and then just click on this, paste the link, and then there you go. So as you can see, the text has now been underlined, and then it redirects. When I click on this text right here, it will redirect me to the NASA website about Mars. So yeah, after that, once you're done polishing your article or your story on Medium, what we can do now is to publish this. So to publish this, just click on publish right here, and then you'll be redirected here. So from here, you can change the preview image. So this will be the thumbnail of your image. So it will usually get the image from your article, but you can also change it by clicking on change, and then from here you can change the image. So for example, I'll choose this Earth one, just click on done, and then there you go. Then after that, you can add topics related to your article. So for example, I will add topics related to planets. Click on that. Let's say solar system, space, and then there you go. So once you're done and you're ready to publish your article, just click on publish now, or you can schedule it for later. So when I click on schedule for later, I can set a time and date and when I will schedule my article. So yeah, so once you're done ready to schedule your article, just click on schedule to publish. So right now I'll just publish this. So I'll just click on publish now. It is publishing the story, and then there you go. My story has now been published, so I can share it on Facebook, on X, on LinkedIn, or I can copy a link of this story. So I can exit out of here, and as you can see, this is what our published article will look like. So as you can see, I can see my account right here. I can see how long it takes to read it. So it's a 3-minute read. And then after that, I can also comment right here just by clicking on respond. I can save this story by clicking on save right here. And then I can also listen to the story just by clicking on listen right here. And then I can also share it just by clicking on this. And then again, I can share it on X, Facebook, LinkedIn, or copy the link. And then when I click on these 3 dots right here, I can get more options. So I can edit the story, pin the story on my profile, change some story settings, see the story stats, hide responses, and I can also delete the story. So yeah, so when I scroll down, I'll get to see all the topics that I've inputted when publishing the story, and then again, more options will pop up right here like saving it, sharing it, and some additional options. You can also comment from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get started writing on Medium in 2024.